Hello guys, thank you for visiting my channel on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to explain a common problem with Windows 8 or Windows 7. If you are using Windows 8 and if you log into Windows 8 and if you found that there is a message that you have logged in as a temporary user, then this is a huge problem because if you create a file or if you create a folder or if you do any changes in your desktop, then if you log out and come back you will not find those changes. So each time you log in, you will get a very fresh desktop where you are not getting anything from the previous works. So this is a problem. I will explain how will you solve that problem. um, there is several way you can solve that problem. First of all, I will display a very easy fix, and then after that I will discuss the another way. um, what you will do, you will click on your start button and type system restore. You can see that create restore point. You click on that link, and then you have that system restore button here. Click on it, and you can see that we have a radio button here. Choose a different restore point, click on it and click next. Now you can see that um, the restore point that you can go back. A restore point is um, if you know that your computer was working fine on some previous date, for example before a week, you can select the date here and you can um, um, click on next. Then if you click finish here, what will happen, your PC will be restored to a previous version. For example, if you select a date, your computer will be back up to that date. So in that way, if you back up to a previous date and if you know that on that date your computer was working good, then you are safe. Now you can do whatever you want, you can save anything whatever you want in your computer. The difficulty or the problem with this process is if you have saved anything in between from the backup date and current date, the saved data will go away. So be careful when you are restoring your computer to a previous date. So this is the easy fix. I will not go for that. I will cancel the process here. There is another way. On that way, what you can do, you can activate your uh, built-in administrator account in Windows 8. You can activate that administrator account in that way. You click on Windows button and click X, and then when you get that, select command prompt admin and click yes here. See, you have a command prompt admin here. Type the command here, net user ad, administrator space active, and then you put a colon and then yes. See, the command completed successfully. What will happen when you are done with that, you will exit from the command prompt and and you will log off here. When you are logging off and coming back, you will find your administrator user is on the list. So go to that administrator user, and when you are login by your administrator user, create another account with go to your user settings. Like when you are login by your administrator user, go to control panel and go to your user settings here. User accounts, and after that here click on manage another account and then add a new user in PC settings. So what you will do here, you will click on add user and then you will select sign in without Microsoft account, and in that way you will create an account. And so when the account is done, you will come here in the administrator user settings, and what you will do, you will go to the user settings, and you will change the account type. And you, if you want to make that user as an administrator, then it will be a administrator user, and you can do anything on that user. And what you can do with your user that was giving you message you have logged in as a temporary user, you can remove that user, and you can delete that user from the user settings again. Like if you go to your control panel, and if you go down, and if you click user settings, for example, um, if you want to delete that account, click on that one, and if you select delete the account will be removed from your account user list. So in that way you can solve that problem of where you are getting the message you have logged in as a temporary user, and where you cannot save anything. So if you think this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any more help, you can leave a message on my channel, and I will prepare tutorial on that topic. Thank you again for visiting my channel. One more thing I would like to mention here. So when you have activate administrator user, it's better you deactivate it again. So what you can do, you again type start button and X, and you start your command prompt. And here what you will do, you will type net user administrator, then space active, and then colon no. So see, the command completed successfully. In that way you are you are removing your administrator user from the startup users list. So it's better you remove your administrator user from the startup list, so that your system doesn't get corrupted. Again, thank you